talk about with you all after you have rested. Let us explain a few things. Great energies have accumulated around your planet at this time. We connect you with those beings who are around the earth, sensitive to your condition. All of those beings have assignments with human beings. They watch west side of America, as we said, highly energetic. The planet's actual size is changed. You must measure your planetary frequency. Guesswork is not needed. Assignments have been given. Once you recall what you do here, peace comes through your energy field and it is expanded. It gives out an emanation that is felt by your friends and family. You are given number codes. Don't worry about those codes. We have given you number codes. Why? Those places are active on your Earth. When you have a point on your Earth that is active, you have energies coming from the center point of your planet. Once those energies are expanding, they also emanate. As if you were an antenna of light, giving off a signal. You too give off energy currents. We measure those currents. When we measure those currents, those energies that you are concerned about of numerical value are locations. Those places gather beings from other dimensions. When they come together in a council, they have powerful ideas in those places. Go outside and see for yourself how you feel in those places. With friends, with family. Why should we give you those locations? Why should we tell you about emanating light? Don't worry about what those control groups are doing here. How you are given assignment is highly complex. It is valuable information. It is subconscious memory recall involving your ascension path. Don't forget about what you came here to do. Elohim. Breakthroughs are taking place. Consciousness is changing. Humanity is given an opportunity to look at itself. Go outside and see how you feel. Rest assured you are taken care of. People know what we mean. Go outside, and try it out for yourself. Words are difficult, but you understand feelings. You understand communication that is subliminal, yes? But it is subconscious subliminal communication. Some of you understand patterns. Some of you understand colors. Some of you know about frequency. Some of you are combining these communications and you are creating quite a harmonic. Do you know what you are doing, friends? Do you understand what you are deciding for the planet to experience because of your choice point? Once you decide to expand in your awareness, you're affecting the frequency of the planet Earth. How you are given assignment is according to a master plan. It was here a long time ago, and you have completed those plans in previous lifetimes. You are here again. You are repeating history, and you know who you are. We are talking to those personalities who know they are here to help. They want specifics. Great work so far. We know what you have done, and we are quite annoyed about how people are feeling. They have not been in touch with those energies for a while. Yes, we have a sensitivity as well. Orion Council are great amphibious looking beings, but we also have other beings working with us. Direct communications come through from them through the vessel. Elohim, around your planet, white energies. Those are photonic. Those are extraterrestrial. Great energies have decided that you are ready for a new wave. Once you recognize the wave, your sensitivities are changed permanently. Why should a recognition program affect abilities? How you perceive energetics is a multi-layered, and you know what we mean. How your perception is channeled depends upon your inner balanced state. Why are you balanced? You receive information. We have to answer a question, yes? Thank you.
How do we balance the equation when more people are around this time are in fear rather than fact?
Do your jobs. Do your work. Sense yourself. Rest. Give. Sleep a bit more. Go outside. Love your planet. Do what you came here to accomplish. We give you help and we give you ideas, and you must trust so much in who you are. You are having difficulties at this time. Now you are aware of who is watching, and you are perceiving more than you were 2 days ago. We give simple answers. We give knowledge. We give light, and you feel your own. Direct contact happens in between those states of balancing yourself. The attempt, the idea, has a middle passage. You must find us there. You must look in between those realms that you have investigated, as we have said. There's quantum layer, has much knowledge, and we talk through you on the quantum experimental state. Practice your personality program a bit more and you will understand. Don't worry about the instructions. Sense your own self. Sense those around you. Sense your environment. We have a job here and you have work to do. Let us work with one another. All right?
Yeah, one more question.
Yes.
How does when the masses are more chaotic, one tune more into their magic and their intuition?
By allowing guides to communicate. Humility is a number one issue here on your earth. Much awareness is lacking, and much of the knowledge that we want to relay is only given to a few, and that is problematic. When those who have the power are not intelligent, and those without the power are having all the knowledge. What do you do?
How do we develop trust?
Forgiveness and intuition. Difficult, but so simple at the same time. We know how you feel, so with that understanding, how do you place yourself in the context of this challenge? Who are you? Why are you here? That is the question many are having at this time. And as you know, we are Orion Council, and we know many things. So you want specifics, each of you. Now look into your dynamic. Look at the faculties of your mind. Guesswork is not important. Knowledge is exchange of information, and you are given information with the contact upstairs. You see, we are sensitive beings, and you have a contract to first sense mind power, then body, then spirit. Connect them together, you get a plasma. And reaching through the veil is how we connect with each other. Figure out what is that veil. Figure out how it feels, and rest assured you will get more. That is correct when you align to those powerful energies. Who are you, and why did you come here? Knowledge is given, and Orion Council guides subconscious communications taking place through this simple process known as channeling. Around you, you have particles talking. 9-dimensional particles. Trust in those channelings. Trust in those communications. Go to those places with your friends and family. See for yourself. How are you doing at this time?
We are excellent, clear, and focused.
Guesswork isn't as important as this self-awareness. Guesswork is not as important as self-awareness. Guesswork is not important as self-awareness. Thank you. We are finished.
Thank you.